we're going to have our own issues to deal with as we go through the middle part of the week. We've got some rain, some snow, some wind, all going to be heading our way. So tonight, kind of calm before the storm. We've got some steady temperatures, mainly dry for tonight. Tomorrow, if you're a fan of the warm temperatures, might be a day to actually try to get outside. Our temperatures are going to be warm, winds will be just a little bit breezy, and we're going to be mostly dry through the day. As we get towards the middle part of the week, especially Wednesday and Thursday, our winds are going to get stronger. We're also going to have rain, possibly some thunder, and also the chance for snow, and that's going to come with some big changes in our temperatures as we go through the rest of the week. We're very cold over the weekend, struggling in the 20s. We were a little closer to average today. Average is about 43. So we get another boost in those temperatures for the next couple of days, well into the 50s for tomorrow. I think many of us make it into at least the low 60s, even if it's only briefly on Wednesday. And it's not going to last long because our temperatures will come crashing down into Thursday. Our highs on Thursday likely will happen around midnight. We're going to struggle in the 20s for much of the daytime hours, and then we've got some more ups and downs from there. But again, tomorrow really looking like the best of the next few days, at least for the rest of this week, if you want to sneak in some time outside. Out there right now, temperatures have been holding pretty steady. We're at 38 degrees for Cleveland. We still have a light breeze from the south. That's going to get a little stronger as we get into tomorrow and the next couple of days. Our dew point is in the teens. And we mentioned that because that means we have some dry air in place at the surface. So radar's trying to pick up on a couple of brief rain or snow showers. A lot of that's probably not actually reaching the surface. If anything, we get just a brief flake or a couple of sprinkles out there, and that should be about it. We do have plenty of cloud cover in the mix, though, and that's going to be the case as we go through tonight and tomorrow. We'll keep plenty of clouds around, but I think generally dry is going to be the case for most of us, again, with that exception of a brief sprinkle or a flake or two. Bigger concern for rain and snow is going to come with this system. It's been developing, coming in from the west coast. It's going to track all the way across the country. Right now, it's coming off of the Rockies, bringing in some snow to areas of Colorado, starting to see some storms develop out towards areas of Oklahoma, Texas. This is going to be marching our way over the coming days. Between us and the system, we've got some warm air. There's those 50s, 60s that we're going to try to tap into over the next couple of days. For tonight, again, mainly dry, not as cold. Our temperatures are going to hold pretty steady, generally in the mid-30s. Tomorrow should be a really decent day for us, so we will have that breeze picking up from the south. Temperatures make it into the 50s by lunchtime, mid to upper 50s for our highs through the afternoon. I think we generally stay dry through the daytime hours tomorrow. Tomorrow night is going to be a different story. National Design Art hour-by-hour forecast, we're going to skip ahead to midnight. By midnight, our rain is moving in and our winds are picking up. Those winds are going to stay fairly gusty. Those gusts could be over 30 miles per hour starting tomorrow night and continuing all the way through Thursday. Steady rain will be moving in as we get towards midnight. We could have some pockets of heavier rain. It's going to be a very soggy overnight. That steadiest, heaviest rain should be out of here by Wednesday morning for the commute. We'll still have some scattered rain showers. Temperatures start off warm. That wind is still strong with gusts over 30 miles per hour. As we go through the day on Wednesday, especially if we get a little bit of sunshine, those temperatures should easily be able to creep up into the 60s. I think we'll still have at least a chance for some scattered showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms out there with how relatively warm those temperatures are going to be. Still some scattered showers around for the evening commute, and temperatures start to fall. Those come crashing down as we head into Thursday. We'll have those replaced by 20s, 30s, the chance for some snow, and then also some frigid wind chills as we get into Thursday there. Rest of that Union Home Mortgage extended forecast. After those temperatures drop out on Thursday, we've got some more ups and downs as we get into the weekend and next week, especially towards the middle part of next week. A couple of very warm days potentially heading our way.